Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this little foxy eye with an orange red lip. Who doesn't love an orange red lip? I'm sure there are people that don't. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I think it's really sexy and soft and easy to pull off. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. I'm trying not to play with this palette, but I can't help it. So I'm going to start off with Beige, which is this bottom shade here. And I'm going to apply this into the crease. And I've already primed my eyes with my MAC 24-hour eyeshadow base. And I'm going to try and keep this look as soft as possible. I'm going to bring this right down this little curve. I'm going to take Sundown, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to use that to blend the edges out. I was trying to not use tape, but I love the way it looks. I'm gonna use tape. All right, I have my tape in place, and I am now going to go in with Magma. I'm going to use this Wayne Goss number 17 brush, and I'm just going to use that to start filling in the outer corner. And I'm just going to keep this color right at the crease. And I'm just lightly building the intensity. Bring whatever is left over on your brush towards the center of the lid so you're getting a nice blended finish. Now I'm going to take this MAC 228, which is this super tiny definition brush. I'm going to take Deep Dive, and I am going to tap off the excess and then just place this in the outer corner, and then keep the color kind of low, and then of course blend. I'm going to take some more of that and then just keep it pretty close to the lash line. So I'm using this almost like a liner. My tape is coming up. So this is a shape that we're left with. It's just a very soft, short kitten line. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in and do the other eye. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this Patrick Ta highlighting spray, and it's in We Love Her. And I'm not going to spray this on my face. I'm actually going to spray this on the palm of my hand. It looks like a beautiful rose gold. And I'm going to use a brush to apply it. I've tried actually playing with this. I have a full size, I don't even know which one I have, that was given to me in gratis, and I tried spraying it myself and I was like, oh hell no, never again. So with this one, I just decided to spray it on my hand. I guess you could also spray it on your brush, but I just figured this would be easier. And I apologize for not telling you guys what blush I'm using, but I'm using She's So LA. I actually decided to keep this because I've been playing with it and I like the way it looks now. I think it was a combination of the bronzer I was using that made it look muddy. So for my lips, I'm thinking I want to use this lipstick by Gucci. It's Vantine Fuchsia. I think we're gonna go for it. Let's see. No, I think I'm gonna go with an orange. All right, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier Fire Lip Pencil. All right, guys, so here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is very easy, nice matte glam with just a little bit of a highlight. And I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love this lip pencil. And I've told you guys before, I'm a huge fan of red orange or orange lipsticks. I think they're so beautiful. With this, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification button. I do upload 3 videos a week, so you don't want to miss those. Subscribe and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see on my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.